I was talking to a client and we were discussing having a tight back and knowing that the hamstrings might be tight. So I said one of the common things that I've seen from working with many, not only athletes, but just professionals, especially when we're sitting for a long period of time, is having tight hamstrings that go along with either a lack of quad and glute activation or some combination of this. So I wanted to cover all of this in one go. So again, whatever you want to grab here, it could be a lacrosse ball, tennis ball, whatever. I just happen to have this like Fit Beast from a forearm workout Fit Flex set, but you can do whatever. So what we're going to do is we're going to first start by activating our glutes. You don't actually need the egg for this one, but we're going to lay flat on our back. Now, the key to this is you may be saying, Mike, but wait, doesn't glute bridges actually also activate hamstrings? Well, it just depends. What we're going to do is we're going to try and get our feet as close to our butt as possible. The closer our feet to our butt, the less hamstring activation, the more glutes we're going to get in. So we're going to come up, hold 10, 9, 8, 7, 6.